So I dropped off the car at the window tint spot. Here we are. Here is the car tinted. If you are into window tint on the lighter side, 55% on the sides and 70% on. This is a video for you.
Yo, what's good, my peoples? It's Xpel bringing you guys another video. Today we're gonna do a review of window tint. If you're looking to restomod or restore your car, or you just don't want really dark tint, this is the video for you. I'm pretty much gonna have to narrate this video. I originally recorded the video about a year ago. It's been a year since, a little over a year since I've had the ceramic tint done on the Mx3. I knew I was gonna be redoing the interior. It was pretty much a restoration. I live in Sunshine State in Florida. You gotta have tint. So I was trying to find a balance between, you know, functionality and aesthetics. So pretty much I've had the Xpel 70% on the windshield and the 55% all around. It's the Xpel Ceramic Black series. I've had no issues. I really like it. It works well with polarized sunglasses, no issues at night, and gives the car still a classy look. Nothing wrong with black tint, 5% tint, do as you wish. I just really didn't want tint at all on the car. It just looked so clean with crystal clear tint, but it needed tint to preserve the interior, make my AC hit the way it's supposed to. So anyways, I'm gonna cut to a flashback of last year and we'll pick it up from there. And that's pretty much gonna be the review of the tint, so, yep.
So I dropped off the car at the window tint spot, and if you are into window tint on the lighter side, this is a video for you, because we got the car tinted in a really light ceramic tint. So I'm really nervous about the results, so let's check it out. Stay tuned. Let's go. All right, here we are at the tint shop. See? A lot of imperfections in the bubbles in here. A lot of orange peel right in this area. Look at all these watermarks. From the tint place. Look at all the watermarks from the fucking installation, dude. All right, my people, so here is the car tinted. I've had this tint for officially 1 year now. As you saw in the previous clips, it did not, I wasn't 100% happy with the actual tint job. No problem with the film, but the actual tint job, the performance and the cleanup after. The guy left my shit all dirty, hard water spots everywhere, and it just wasn't cool. But the actual tint is fantastic. This is the Xpel ceramic. So we got 55% on the sides and 70% on the windshield. Check your local laws to see what's legal for your state, or you can just go full send and ask questions later. That's up to you. I live in Florida, the Sunshine State. But yeah, let me show you guys what's up here. So the Xpel ceramic, I think it's the Black series. I normally do just regular dyed tint, like I got on my other car. I got nothing on the windshield, and I got 35% bronze tint. I'll probably upgrade to the ceramic. All right, so personally, I like the way it looks with the 55, but I wish I would have gone with 70 all around, which is what I originally was gonna go with. I didn't trust my gut feeling. I went with 55 because I thought the 70 up front would bring in enough light to, you know, lighten up the 55, because I really wanted pretty much no tint, but the heat is unbearable here. And especially if you want your AC to work good on an older car, you need the tint. So I went with the 55 on the sides and the rear, front 70. So let me show you guys what's up here. Open the car. So it's got a little bit of a bluish tint. You can kind of see. This is 55. At night or in the shade, it looks a little darker than it actually is. So here you see the car's white. And then in the sun, where's the sun at? Sun's on up there. Looks damn near crystal clear. Windshield looks, it's pretty much crystal clear. You can't even tell there's tint in there. Same thing with the passenger side. Rear window tint. It's a weird rear window. He did do it in one piece. All right, my bad. I had to switch cameras because it was overheating. That's how hot it is out here. But the rear window was done in one piece. Let me open the passenger side. Also helps protect the interior. I replaced the dashboard. I definitely want to preserve it, so that's also a good point about the dash window tint. I mean the windshield window tint protects the dash. So here we go. If you can see any difference, slight difference. A little bit of privacy. It gets a little darker at night, so it provides some privacy. It's not 100% clear. And ceramic has like this kind of like metallic look to it. So overall, I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10 on the ceramic window tint. It's definitely worth it. If you want to get window tint, go ahead and get the ceramic. Pay for the extra. They offer all different shades. They offer a couple of different colors. They got the blue, they got black. Yeah, it's worth it. If you're doing a restoration, or if you don't want window tint, but you know your climate, you know, requires it, you know, pretty much, trying to keep the heat out, and you just want it to look like no window tint, do the 70 all around. The 55 is a little darker than, again, I would have liked, as you can see. But overall, the window tint, I'm very satisfied with it. It's protecting my interior. AC is cooler. Everything's working good. So yeah, that's pretty much it regarding the window tint. I'll meet y'all in the studio to close out this video.
All right, my people, so that pretty much wraps up this video. Overall, I love the tint. I would do 70% all around if I could do it all over again. But 55 and 70 is gonna have to do for now. Anyways, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think about the window tint. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And let me know what tint you decide to go with. Make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe. Until next time, this is Xpel XR 16. Salute.